What's that? What's that hole over there?
Cerebral aqueduct.
That's right. What are these bumps over here?
Folliculi.
That's right. What's this gray over here?
A substantia nigra.
No, that's black.
Oh,
What you said.
what is it?
Red nuclei.
I don't even see it.
Yeah, is
That-
that important?
Yeah, this is important. The mass of gray over there, only red in a brand new frozen section.
Okay.
But,
Pause.
okay.
This gray over there.
Will you say the gray portion?
Yeah,
Okay, good.
What's the hole again?
the cerebral aqueduct.
Okay.
Red nuclei in which part of the brain?
The mesencephalon.
Yeah, which part of the mesencephalon?
The tegmentum.
Take.
That's right. They're major features in the tegmentum of the mesencephalon. What's this over here? Pons. Yeah, because in coronal sections are really only coronal for the prosencephalon. So when you get back to mesencephalon, metencephalon, and myelencephalon, which go obliquely down the slope of the clivus, all of the sections which are coronal in the prosencephalon are oblique sections in the mesencephalon, metencephalon, and myelencephalon. Okay, what are those?
Those look like
Yeah, pyramids.
What are the pyramids?
What's this? The pontomedullary junction.
Wait, what
The
are you
black
pointing to?
Part?
Well, here the pons ends, and the medulla begins at that indentation.
Oh my
The
goodness.
pontomedullary junction. This was test legal in Bio 9 when I asked it in topographic anatomy.
Yeah, but it's harder to see in real cuts, you know.
Yeah. Now what's this?
Superior or superior cerebellum.
What's this?
Pontomedullary junction.
Yeah.
Again.
What's this?
That's pons.
Yeah. What's this?
Medulla.
That's right. But I want to ask it here.
So what's medulla?
That's medulla.
Yeah. Now what's this?
Fourth ventricle.
That's right. And the hole you see in there is the cerebral aqueduct opening into it.
Okay.
Wait, I need a picture of the whole. Oh.
See, on this side we have the last of the cerebral aqueduct,
Oh, okay.
and there we have it opens in here. It opens into the fourth ventricle.
Got it.
Okay.
There's vermis, and these are parts of cerebellar hemispheres. So this
So-
is important.
I'm gonna have to go soon.
Yeah.
Me too.
Yeah, so
Whatever,
then I will
super
need
important.
assistance in putting all of this away.
Are we done?
No, there's a little more to do. Okay, so this one, yeah, then one like this,
I'm not taking.
and maybe a little bit of this one, we'll do it.
All right. Like
Okay,
speedy
so now
fast.
here, what do we have here? That's oxidized quite a bit, but you can still
I have to
see
go
the-
on the other
the
side.
white, Yeah, well, that would be the splenium if this was a sagittal section.
Right.
So this is through the area of the forceps minor, cut that way.
Okay.
Okay, what are these?
So that's forceps minor.
Yeah, here's the beginnings of the posterior horns. You see, this right over there on the other side of this is the atrium. And then we have inferior horns coming off, right over here, and there they are in the temporal lobe. Now let's see if this is still visible. What are those bulges over there?
Right. I don't see
What
it.
bulges?
They are kind of squashed.
Yeah, they look squishy.
Yeah, those are the bulges.
Yeah, they may be too squashed to ask. There are colliculi over there.
Yeah, I don't think that's test legal.
And then right in the middle over here, so it's colliculi and pineal body.
Wow.
They're a bit squashed now, though.
You're not going to ask that, right? It's like squashed.
Yeah, so I may choose not to ask that since it's the only one like this, and it's very unusual to get this plane of section. And then what do we have here?
That looks
The-
like occipital.
Yeah, the poles of the occipital lobes. This is the topographic anatomy. So here we have the last of the coronal sections, and let's see if this one shows it. This is already too far back. See, here we're already behind the posterior horns of the lateral ventricle.
Right. Oh, I think it might
And there's a
be
little
right
bit of
around.
cerebellum over there. Okay, and this one shows,
Can you take the lid off?
yeah,
Thank you.
here, this is close to the atrium, and you see there's an inferior horn of the lateral ventricle coming off, right over there. I think that pretty much does it on this. So we have to put these away.